Have you ever wondered how to make learning stick? Understanding how to design optimal learning conditions can transform education. With an effective approach, learning becomes engaging and impactful. Today, we'll explore how to create these conditions, blending cognitive psychology and effective teaching methods. Learning is influenced by various factors: cognitive, emotional, social, and environmental. Designing optimal learning conditions requires an integrated approach. Let's break down the foundational principles of effective learning design. First, we need to consider cognitive load. Everyone has limits on their working memory. Instruction should minimize unnecessary load. Clear presentation of information helps manage the cognitive burden. Next, we discuss spaced practice, interleaving, and retrieval practice. Research shows spaced learning enhances retention, while interleaving strengthens knowledge transfer and retrieval practice solidifies memory. Now, let's touch on active learning. This method positions students as active participants. By engaging in collaborative projects and hands-on activities, learners connect new information with existing knowledge. Following this, motivation plays a vital role. Key psychological needs like autonomy, competence, and relatedness enhance intrinsic motivation. Then, we examine social and collaborative learning. Vygotsky's theories highlight the importance of social interaction in learning. Group work fosters essential skills and understanding. Similarly, assessment is a crucial component. It shapes learning and guides instruction, promoting a feedback-rich environment. Now that we've explored the foundational principles, let's look at practical strategies for optimal learning conditions. Curriculum design should start with desired outcomes and align assessments effectively. Utilizing modular content makes complex information manageable for learners. Next, let's consider instructional methods. A mix of direct instruction and inquiry promotes both knowledge acquisition and deep understanding. Active learning engages students and situates learning in real contexts. Technology can enhance learning experiences. Adaptive systems personalize learning paths and provide targeted support. The environment where learning takes place also matters. Spaces should promote collaboration and comfort. Additionally, consider time management. Incorporating spaced practice and reflective pauses optimizes retention. Next, feedback is essential. Immediate, specific feedback helps students improve. Allowing mastery learning lets learners progress at their own pace, fostering deeper understanding. Structured peer assessment also helps learners grow. Now, let's address individual differences in learning. Equity in education is paramount. Tailor instruction to meet diverse needs, integrating cultural relevance and supporting vulnerable learners. Despite the benefits, challenges exist. Standardization may clash with personalization. Institutions often face resource constraints. Moreover, measuring complex outcomes remains difficult. Resistance to change can slow progress. To overcome these challenges, use an evidence-informed, iterative design process. Pilot new strategies, collect data, then refine them continuously. Prioritize professional development for educators, ensuring they can implement new designs effectively. Aligning curriculum, assessment, and accountability is crucial. Ensure consistent goals and practices. Leverage technology effectively, using it to enhance learning while remaining accessible. Lastly, cultivate a learning culture that values curiosity and collaboration. Emphasize equity from the start by integrating universal design principles. In summary, designing optimal learning conditions is complex yet achievable. By understanding cognitive processes, promoting collaboration, and leveraging technology, we can create effective environments. This interdisciplinary approach can enhance learning outcomes for everyone. So, what's your next step? Start implementing these principles in your educational practices today. Subscribe for more insights on creating impactful learning experiences.